Meridian Credit Union Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a Meridian Credit Union member, their app promises a convenient way to manage your banking, but does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming credit union apps are limited in functionality. With Meridian's app, you can check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks all from your smartphone. It even supports intra-key transfers, making sending money quick and secure. Another advantage is account control. The app allows you to set alerts for low balances or transactions, monitor pending payments, and manage multiple accounts easily. For members who rely on digital banking daily, this level of oversight is a big plus. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional slow loading times or app crashes during updates. Additionally, advanced features like loan applications or investment management often require logging in through a desktop browser rather than the app. In conclusion, the Meridian Credit Union app is a reliable tool for everyday banking. The surprising truth is that while it's excellent for transactions and monitoring, it doesn't completely replace the full suite of banking services available online or in branch. For members who value convenience, security, and straightforward digital banking, this app delivers solid performance, but keep in mind its limitations if you need more complex financial services.